Enjoy the convenience of a hassle-free installation with Graco's Nautilus SnugLock DLX 3-in-1 Harness Booster. With SnugLock technology, you can feel confident you've got a secure install in 3 easy steps using the vehicle seatbelt or latch. The Nautilus SnugLock DLX is 3 forward-facing seats in one, and it's good for 10 years of use. The forward-facing booster seat converts from a harness booster from 22 to 65 pounds to a highback booster from 40 to 100 pounds to a backless booster from 40 to 100 pounds. Plus, the armrests remove for a better fit for your growing child from 40 to 120 pounds. The Simply Safe Adjust harness system lets you adjust the height of your harness and 6-position headrest together in one motion. The machine-washable rapid remove cover removes in 60 seconds for easy cleaning, without uninstalling the seat. The body support and buckle covers are also machine-washable. For a simple transition as your child grows, the integrated harness storage compartments hold the unused harness straps and chest clip while in the belt positioning booster mode. Plus, the fuss-free harness storage allows for easy in and out. Graco's in-right latch system provides a 1-second attachment. The steel reinforced frame provides strength and durability for up to 10 years of use. And the 4-position recline means you'll find just the right angle for your child. You'll love the dual cup holders and convenient storage compartment. Graco's commitment to car seat safety starts with safe seat engineering. The Graco Nautilus SnugLock DLX 3-in-1 Harness Booster has been engineered and rigorously crash tested to meet or exceed U.S. safety standard FMVSS 213. Side impact tested, and tested to extreme car interior temperatures. The Graco Nautilus SnugLock DLX 3-in-1 Harness Booster grows with your child and provides a hassle-free installation in 3 easy steps.